Hi everyone! If you've got a chipped tooth just like this in the video, here's how you can fix it on your own using the same tooth-colored filling material that we used in clinic. So first, I am placing bond, which is also what we call tooth glue, onto the tooth, which helps the tooth-colored filling stick onto the tooth nicely. Next, I am placing the tooth-colored filling provided in your kit as well. The kit will also come with this metal spatula that I'm using. So all I'm doing is using my finger as a support behind the tooth and then packing the tooth-colored filling against my tooth. So everything is done here in real time, it's not being sped up, and this is me just adding more material to the tooth, patting it and blending it to my natural tooth so that you cannot see the margins and the edges where the filling material joins to the tooth. So using this scraping motion, I blend the filling material to the tooth and scrape off the excess, as you can see here, so that you can have a really nice outcome. So just keep doing that and make sure everything's smooth and blended nicely. Get the shape right, and once you're happy, you can set the filling material with UV light included in your kit. So the UV light that is included in your kit comes with batteries, and it's not the same one that I'm using in this video. The only difference is that mine sets the filling in 20 seconds, whereas you might take a bit longer with yours, about a minute or two. But at the end of the day, we will achieve the same result. Your filling will harden with UV light. As you can see, I'm just scraping the tooth filling with my metal probe, and you can see it's all set and hard. And this is the view from the back of the tooth. As you can see from my mirror over here, the chip is gone, everything's very nice, and this is an excellent remedy for anyone who needs an emergency repair before they can get to a dentist.